Day 52 of 365, my hair. Anyways, I am in Zurich, Switzerland. I just got here. I'm in a Marriott hotel, Marriott branded hotel, and let's check out the fridge, I guess, because I don't have much else to do today. Pepsi Max, Pepsi, a bunch of beers, some wine, champagne, orange juice, and another, it looks like a vegan drink. I don't know what that is. And some chocolates and things and like a lemon. Yeah. Let's see here. Pepsi. That's expensive. That's almost $7, €7. It's 7 francs. That's expensive. The beer is 8. I'd rather